How much do we pay for this?
$2. $1.
Yes. And how many people even know what it is? Do you? What is it?
Typewriter. This is what I'm typing.
Nice.